Singh, I'm coming to you. You're a senior lawyer. I'm coming to you because I've had multiple chats with you when the Nirbhaya case was underway as well. Abha ji, zara bataiye. How many years did it take for Nirbhaya's rapists to hang? 11 years? After Tariq pe Tariq and Chakkar pe Chakkar of various courts, top to bottom, trial court, high court, Supreme Court. Despite the case being fast-tracked, it took 11 years for Nirbhaya's rapists to hang. What is the hope in this case?
Shreya, you are very right. ये 11 साल की वजह से ही इस तरह के rapists, they are emboldened and they commit such gruesome offences with impunity. In fact, in a government hospital, if this civic volunteer could rape this girl, kill her. I am not talking about it's a gang rape or one person has raped, but the bigger issue is that such a brutal, gruesome rape and committed in the government premises clearly shows that there is no fear of the law. Even after Nirbhaya, if we have got the death penalty, but because it takes 11 years, 10 years, you will go from one court to the other. You need patience, perseverance to get justice in this country, and that is the reason such type of rapes keep happening. But my another question is that when you know that these doctors have to do night duties, why is there not a restroom for female doctors? Why did this resident doctor had to go to the seminar room to sleep? That the principal needs to answer. The medical secretary of the state needs to answer, because ultimately it is an IS officer who sits as a medical secretary, and he is the one who looks after all these things, and he takes the meeting. Why should not the principal have been suspended for not providing a restroom for these doctors? Had this girl been in a restroom, I'm sure she would not have been raped or murdered. So this is what we need to talk about. I don't want to say Congress, BJP, but the bigger issue is we have to hit the nail on the head that how this rape is happening. We got death penalty and yet it is not sufficient to scare the rapist. So there is something badly wrong. And yes, I empathize with the doctors that you have on one hand you have issues of safety, security, or on the other hand, you have patients and their relatives beating up these poor doctors because they are dissatisfied with the medical facilities, or if some death has happened which is not due to the fault of the doctors. So definitely a law needs to be brought in that doctors are made safe on general issues also, and also for women doctors, because if this resident doctor was there in the hospital for 32 hours, then why was there not safety, security provided for her? And the last point is that these civic police volunteers, they were started in 2013 by Mamata Banerjee government, and without any police verifications, without any training, how they are called civic police volunteers? He was sleeping in the police barrack. He had the police ID cards through which I'm sure he managed to go to the hospital late in the night. So, and also not only that, these civic volunteers are given a salary of 8,000. How has the law been defined in this? If a cop is there on duty, he can face disciplinary action. No. But these are civilians, and these are party workers who are made civic volunteers.
I'm clear about two things.
I want this. Who started this policy? They should also be hanged.